perform ANOVA test, first of all you will go to data, and here is the data analysis toolbox. If you will not find this data analysis toolbox, like this window will appear in your Excel, then you will go file and here options, and there adds in, and here you can see there is a data analysis toolbox written in English or in another language, and you will see here that this data analysis toolbox already, you can see here this one is already installed, so it is here. Otherwise it will be here, inactive application add here, it will be here. And if this data analysis is here, uh, you will just not click OK, just click go, and you will see here this is a check-in. If it is not, it is unchecked, you will just check and then OK, then it will be here. Now you will apply the data analysis tool, ANOVA test. Here you can see here that there is a single factor ANOVA, and you will click here and then press enter. And here you can see the input data range. We have 4 groups here. You can see here that you will select the all values. For example, here these all values you can select here and then press enter. And here the first row is this row is just label, so you want to skip this one, and here you will check this one. Alpha is by default is okay, we have columns is okay, otherwise rows. And here you can see the output range you will select here, and then you will select, for example, where you want to display the results. For example, here for example I want to display the results here, for example, and then you will just click OK. So you will see that all the summary of the results and all the ANOVA test is already performed here.